What's up, guys? It's Spam the Steampunk Nerfer, and today I've got an awesome behind-the-scenes footage video for you. We went to Orlando last week. That is myself and Lord Drac. We visited the ladies of FoamBlast, and we filmed a video. Woo! I've got a ton of the behind-the-scenes footage. It's going to come up next. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please leave me a like. Click that little thumbs up button. Subscribe, or if you want, leave me a comment. Tell me what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it. Stay steamy.
Alright, so it is recording.
Yes, it's recording.
What's up, guys? So we're doing a behind-the-scenes video for this because we're doing it Esser style, which means that it's kind of a production, but I've got a story, and I have friends, and I found a cool location. God's friends! Like, I actually have friends. Love where you're going with this, Eddie, but this is ambitious. You're very artistic. Alright, so what I do is exactly what Chris is doing, but then I stagger them in 2 lanes. So, I'm going to move this.
The science behind cup building.
I know. The science behind the most ridiculous kind of YouTube content. So Addie's building something pretty ambitious over there, I'll say. I'm going to build one behind you. Cup building. Chris is doing a really good job over there, so I'm going to build one back here.
How tall do you want this thing?
Big enough that when it falls over, it's cool. So like having them at least like 8 or 9 high is dope.
That was really quite a sight. Gather around, folks, I give you all the lowdown. It's a mess, too. Tables were filled with gaudy frails chewing on their fingernails.
What are you doing, Drac?
I'm setting up the frame for the Tesla shot. It's so cool! Sweet! Alright.
I love how excited you are.
Legitimately, it has been a while since I've had fun. The FDL! The FDL is the finest in cut black.
I'm sorry.
My hair's going.
I'm just like,
I'm just as warm on this side. I'm always...
is this behind the scenes footage that you're getting?
Why not?
There you go. Spam is so warm. Ooh, I might even come in and commando crawl under this, and you can just film the commando crawl, and then I'll set a still shot on a tripod for the actual shooting the cups, and then I have to set my other camera for a second.
So we're all of you want to stay?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I think I want to disappear off frame.
Got it. Yep.
Okay, it is filmed, and okay.
Is that camera filming?
Yes. Aye, it is.
Eddie? Eddie, where are you?
I'm in here!
Yes, that's good. It's gonna be good.
Action cam. Now we're waiting on Lord Snotskill.
Well,
At least caught it on film.
they know that is perfect for my finger shooting cut.
Yep.
But it's gotta be outside.
We finished the prison.
Does that mean somebody might crash?
It needs to look like really badly tied up. Like, yeah, just like that, like super loose.
Yeah, I'm not like. Also, she's gonna be able to like get out of it.
I'm just making sure that this doesn't hit the cups.
Like, again, this is like another thing where it's like good that Addie has brothers, because like otherwise this would be weird.
Is it really?
I think it's weird regardless. I'm gonna be honest.
Is it really?
That's probably enough.
Alright, so am I gonna be able to just get out of it myself? Almost.
Here, let's move on.
Drac, you're here!
Addie, I saved you!
Help!
Let's go! Alright, excellent. I destroyed one of those.
That's fine.
One casualty.
Okay.
What was the?
I turned off my camera on the top because
Oh, no.
I'm about to switch.
Yeah.
I was surprised you didn't shoot more or like kick the cups as you came over.
I
It's
should
good.
have, but it's fine.
That there is perverted. How dare you do this in a house of the Lord? Just say, but Addie, I'm out of ammo. We gotta get out of here.
No, I tell them about an ammo later.
That's
Oh,
on the
okay.
way out.
When we walk out and we see the car, and I go like, click, and I've got a noise sound
Yeah,
effect
yeah.
for like empty. And I'll be like, I'm out of ammo. And Addie will be like on my back, and she'll be like, that's okay. And we can do like a
Do
slow
you want me
mo.
to say pew pew?
Yes.
Yes, do it.
That is not an option.
No.
Yes.
Let me get you out of here. Puts Addie on
That's in her
back.
contract. Anytime she uses finger guns, she has to say pew pew.
Alright, so we are almost near the end of filming. I know, it's been a long day. I've been mostly behind the camera, so should be good. Hope you guys are enjoying this.
Oh no!
Oh no! I'm out of ammo.
I got this. Pew pew!
These are timing with this because we just need the effect of them collapsing.
Yeah.
You're realistically like you're the same as Pulp